Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring the basics are actually active. Open system notification settings and turn on Discord notifications. Then open the app and verify Do Not Disturb and Focus are off. Once done, force close Discord and relaunch it so fresh permission states apply. Make sure your account and the server/channel notification overrides are not muted. If you have a secondary device, send a test message to check whether mobile or desktop triggers differ. This helps isolate the problem quickly. Now go deeper into Discord's own settings. Open a server, click the bell icon, and inspect channel overrides, set to all messages when testing. Next, in user settings, right arrow notifications, confirm mentions, direct messages, and sounds are enabled and volumes are audible. Also check role settings because server roles can mute notifications for you. Change temporarily to test. Once changed, send different types of pings, mention, DM, and a channel message so you can see which notification type. Finish by clearing the Discord cache or reinstalling the app. This removes corrupted settings or stale state that blocks notifications. Make sure Discord is allowed to run in background and has permission to show banners on your OS and that battery saver is not restricting it. If problems persist, log into the web client or a new account to isolate whether it's account level or client level. Troubleshooting tip. If web works but app doesn't, a clean reinstall plus cache clear almost always fixes stuck notification behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.